DeepSearch AI app review. Is it actually worth using? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. DeepSearch AI is promoted as an all-purpose chatbot and search companion designed to provide quick, intelligent answers and assist with creative writing. On paper, it aims to function as both a smart research tool and a portable writing partner, which sounds great for anyone who wants an AI helper on the go. Some users mentioned that the layout is clean and straightforward and the AI performs decently when responding to simple questions or generating short pieces of text. If all you need is a fast reply or casual assistance, the app can seem handy enough. But the majority of feedback points to some significant issues. The free version offers almost no real functionality. Most tools are locked behind a subscription, which leaves many people feeling like they can't fairly try the app before being pushed to pay. Even users who did subscribe often said the AI's output wasn't noticeably better than what free web-based chatbots or search engines already provide. Others called out confusing advertising and an overall lack of value for the price. In short, while DeepSearch AI introduces a promising idea, the steep paywall and uneven performance makes it hard to suggest for most users. It could be worth a look for those willing to pay just to experiment, but for the average person, free and more established AI options are likely a smarter choice. Hope that clears things up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.